What I want to do is try to retread these front tires to give them a little bit more grip. Go ahead and get it raised up here on the lift. What I want to do is take my angle grinder and just cut a groove across at each quarter. Like now I'm going to put this at the very bottom, and then we're going to do it here, and I'm going to put it in the, I'm going to basically use my see if I can back it up here a little bit. I'm going to try to do this like you would cut a pizza. I'm going to here and do it in quarters, then do it half the quarter, and then so forth and so on. That didn't turn out too bad. Wow, that rubber's pretty thick. And this is real rubber tire, this ain't plastic. Let's go ahead and get the other side done, and we'll do a test and see if it has more traction. Other than making a flipping mess everywhere, that worked really well. Hey guys, Mower Medic 1. That really turned out really well. I wasn't expecting it to be able to mold those rubber tires as well as it did, but it turned out good. Works great. Saved the customer about 40 bucks. But if y'all have any questions about how to do this, I'll link a description below with everything that I used, the angle grinder and the everything. So if this helped you out, give me a thumbs up and subscribe pretty please. And why don't you do that? There's going to be a little bell right over here that you can click so you can get all my new videos. How awesome would that be? Sounds pretty good to me. Y'all have a good day. Mower Medic 1.